Hello, I am Shashank Tripathi. This is an introductory video of my channel, so keep watch and explore.
My channel name is DataViz. I think you all get idea that what type of content you get in here. If not, then let me explain. In my channel, you all get the content related to data analysis. I will give you content related to SQL, Python, Pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib, Seaborn, Excel. So, are you excited or not? Feel free to comment and encourage me to make more useful content. Thank you all to stick with me. I will come with tutorials video as soon as possible. So, do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get updates.